Hi dear students, welcome to business studies class. So this is the last video of our first chapter, that is nature and significance of management. So in this video we are going to learn about what are the functions of management, and second one, what is coordination. So within coordination we are going to learn about characteristics or nature of coordination and importance of coordination. So let's start. So functions of management. So there are total 5 functions of management. So that is first one, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So functions of management, within that first one is planning. So all of you know what is a planning. So let's see what is the definition. So planning is thinking in advance what to do, when to do and who is going to do it. It makes the bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to reach. So all of you know what is a plan. Before executing work, what we are deciding in our mind or on a paper, that is a planning. I think you got it. Second one, that is a organization. So organization means deciding the framework of a working, how many units and subunits are needed, how many posts are needed, how to distribute the authorities and responsibilities. Okay, so for business initially we have to go for a planning. Second one, after planning means what we are going to do. After deciding that, we are go for the organizing process. So what is the mean of organizing? Means what we plan, we are going to make that plan in actual situation. Means we have to distribute the group, we have to distribute the work. So that is thing is organizing. So just you can take the example how you are organizing your cloth cupboards. Means functional wear cloths at a different side, daily wear cloth at a different side. So just like what are the functions of our business are there, we are going to organizing the things. Means orderly sequence wise we are going to organizing. Okay, so next one, staffing. So what is the staffing? It refers to recruitment, selection, training, development and appointment of the employees. In short, staffing means picking a correct person for a right job. Means taking a interview of a right people for a right job. So that is a staffing. Means first one we are going to go for the recruitment of people, which kind of, which qualification, experience, all these things. So first initially we are going for the recruitment process, then we are going for the interview process, then after interview we are going to select the employees, then giving a training to employees and make a development and appointment of that employees for a particular job. So that is a staffing. So next one, directing. So it refers to guiding, instructing, inspiring and motivating the employees. Okay, so for business initially we are did a planning. After that we are going to organizing the things. Means organizing of resources or otherwise organizing of human resources. Okay, so after that we are going for the staffing, means selection of employees for a particular job. So then after selection of employees for a particular job, who are going to guide them? Yes, is it right? So we are going to make a head, otherwise we are going to make a leader to give the instruction to our employees, giving guiding to our employees or inspiring to our employees or motivating to our employees. So that is the fourth step of, otherwise fourth function of management is directing. Okay, next one, controlling. So all these things are over. We are making the selection of people and we are guiding to that people. Is it right? Okay, then who are going to control them? Okay, so what is the controlling means? What controlling are the main function of management. Controlling is monitoring the organizational performance towards the attainment of organizational goals. Means controlling to human resources, otherwise controlling to the business function. So that means we are going to see that there should not be any wastage of material, otherwise there should be not any wastage of time, money or anything. So that is the controlling. It is a function of management. So what we see in these 5 function, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So step by step you have chapters also in detail we are going to learn. in that chapter. So up to this, I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so next, that is